I am audible, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you are audible. What's your name?
Rani Jha. Yeah, I am homemaker. Now I want learn English with you. Long time I will try to talk with you, but suddenly your reply my message. So I am very happy, ma'am. First, first of all, thank you so much, ma'am.
You had been trying for a long time and then I texted you yesterday.
I did graduation from Vinova University in 2014. Graduation BA.
You have done graduation.
Yes. From Vinova University in 2014.
And after that you got married.
Yeah. But a long time I will try to speak English, learn English, but I can't uh, success it is speak English. But it is very important learn English. So I thought no, I learn this language.
So what you want to say is you have been trying to learn English for a long time, but you were not successful. And now you have realized that English is very important. So now you really want to learn English. And
Yeah.
now you have decided that yes, I have to learn English. Is it so?
Yes. So yeah, I know I am beginner, ma'am, but this little bit no lots of mistake in my speaking, but I will try to better them.
There are mistakes and you want to correct them, but mistakes are the first step. If we don't make mistakes, we can't learn anything. So whenever we try to learn something, we have to make mistakes. Mistakes are important. So it's great that you are trying to speak in English in spite of making mistakes. So it's good. So tell me about your family also.
Yeah, I have one kid, daughter. My daughter, she name is Anna. Then my husband, he is a teacher. Then my father-in-law, my mother-in-law. So
You have a daughter. Her name is Ahana.
yes. Yes.
What does he teach?
What does he teach? Yeah, he is a chemistry teacher.
He teaches chemistry.
Yes.
He teaches chemistry. And your daughter, she's studying in which class?
Junior KG class.
Junior KG class. Okay.
Yes.
So wanted to work after graduation?
My goal turn is achieve a job, reputed teacher, but I will try to lots of learn things, but I speak learn English, then I will try to job. But suddenly recently I will join the I sorry suddenly I joined this job, kindergarten school. So now 1 month ago.
So recently you have picked up a job in a kindergarten school. What is your job profile?
I my thought is so teaching kindergarten school, ma'am.
You are teaching in that kindergarten school. But you want to pick up a good job in a reputed company. But since you
No,
know that the problem
ma'am,
is
school.
speak English first and then you
Yeah,
want to do a job in a school.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what do you want to teach?
Uh, um, मैम जूनियर मैं आई डोंट माई लॉ मतलब क्या बोलते हैं मेरी ज्यादा इच्छा नहीं है प्री प्राइमरी बस लिटिल बिट सो किंडरगार्टन स्कूल सो नाइसली आई विल टीच speak but talk to with children so English no ma'am so it is important so that's why want to
And that English is important if you want to talk to kindergarten students. That is why you want to learn spoken English. So Ahana trouble you all day because she is a young child.
yeah ma'am I have lots of work then with little girl so she is a very good girl but not troubling lots of me but lots of work be she is carrying and all house chores then I go see Anna come meet Anna she come Anna teach आहाना जिस स्कूल में पढ़ती है उसको क्या बोलूं मैम?
The school in which Ahana studies. Ahana's school.
Ahana's school. So used to always English language.
They always used to teach in English in Ahana's school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now it's great. Then Ahana must have learned some English then from that
Yes,
school.
yes, ma'am. Ahana is understanding nicely English. Then she speak English with father. Yes. Then I will try to speak English. Little small words. Then get up and drink up. So I will try to speak
Okay.
English.
Small English sentences with Ahana.
Yes, yes.
And she doesn't trouble you much. She's a good kid, huh? She did come on the camera, huh?
No, she is a very shy lady.
Does Ahana sleep on time? Or she troubles you a lot while sleeping?
But ma'am, I can't get it.
At night, does she sleep on time or she troubles you a lot?
Travels, Ahana's get or do the all work on time.
Does all her work on time. She does
Yes.
all her on time. Okay. Does she wake up on time in the morning?
Now her school is so holiday, but she get up a little bit late, 8 a.m. around 8 a.m. So get up. Now then school is running. So get up early morning, 7:30, 7.
Nowadays, holidays are going on. That is why she gets up late at around 8. But when the school is on, then she gets up at around 7:30. She gets ready easily.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Happily, happily. She not cry on the show.
She doesn't cry that I don't want to go to school. She doesn't say that.
Yes, ma'am.
Does she say I don't want to go to school?
No, ma'am. I told her so. Today is leave it, not go to school. So she told me no. I will go. I will go. Lots of like,
You tell her that you don't go to school today, then also she wants to go. Does she finish her tiffin in school?
ma'am. Yes, I don't take tiffin box. So provide in school.
She eats well there.
Yes, ma'am. Her teachers told me so finish eat properly, nicely eat.
A teacher told you that she eats nicely.
You told me how can improve my English. So how do think? So can you help me, ma'am?
Do you read English storybooks or newspaper or magazine?
No, ma'am.
You should do reading every day for at least half an hour. And 5 to 10 minutes of writing. If you
Yes,
can do that, okay. Otherwise, if it is not possible, then you can skip that. And the next important thing is listening and watching. So you should watch English content every day, like conversation videos.
yes, ma'am. Listening your all video I am watching. I will then your and Chandar sir and Mansi ma'am and
Okay.
Yashoda ma'am. So I will whenever I get a time. So I listening these videos every day. I will try to every day listening 1.5 hour. I will try.
1.5 hours you try, don't say will. I try to watch English content for about 1.5 hours. And whenever I get a time is wrong. We don't put a with time. So whenever I get time, I try to watch English content. Do you want to buy vegetables? Do
Yes.
those speak in English?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's do that conversation. Let's say you have come to buy vegetables, milk, and fruits from me. You try to speak in English, we will correct the mistakes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. How many cost these lady fingers?
How much? We
How
won't say
much?
how much does the lady finger cost?
How
What
much
is
does this finger cost?
how much does the lady finger cost per kg? Or you can say what is the cost of lady finger? What is
What?
the cost of lady finger? Or how much does the lady finger cost per kg? It's 100 rupees per kg. You want 1 kg?
It is cost so much. So you will come kar do kya? So how can I speak, ma'am?
You should say It's very costly. It's very costly. So कम कर दो के लिए you can say please give some discount. It's very costly. Give me some discount. Or you can say reduce the price a little bit. थोड़ा कम कर दो. Reduce the price a little bit.
Half kg you give me tomato packed, pack the tomato.
You want tomatoes half kg. Tomatoes are 70 rupees per kg.
70 rupees. Lots of lots of high lots of बहुत ज़्यादा cost है. Lots of too much cost this vegetables.
Pricey. You can say it's too costly. Tomatoes are too costly.
It's too costly.
Okay, ma'am, I will give you at 30 rupees per kg. I will give you at 30 rupees.
Okay,
So
fine.
how much tomatoes you want?
How
Half
much?
kg.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you pack them half kg. How much cost this bottle grout, soft grout?
You should say how much does the bottle gourd cost?
How much
Which one are you asking?
does yeah? What is cost this bottle grout?
You can ask in two ways कि इसके कितने दाम है. How much does bottle gourd cost? Or what is the cost of the bottle gourd? How much does the bottle gourd cost? Or what is the cost of the bottle gourd?
What is cost of this bottle grout? Bottle grout.
Bottle gourd.
Bottle grout. Sorry.
For 30 rupees per kg. It's not costly. Don't say it is costly.
Okay, give me one 1 kg. Pack them.
Okay, I have packed your vegetables. And what else do you want? And what else do you want?
Nothing. Nothing else. Nothing else. So you used GPay. You used GPay and cash.
Don't you want milk?
Uh, Milk. What is what does now? How does cost this milk? 1 liter.
How much does milk cost? 1 liter. How much does milk cost?
How much does milk cost?
It is for 56 rupees. So
1 liter. Pack. Give me 1 liter milk.
I have packed 1 liter milk for you. I use Paytm. Can you pay by Paytm?
I have no pay. I have no use pay. I do not use Paytm. So only
So
for
you can say I don't use Paytm.
I do not use Paytm. What, ma'am?
Yes, correct. I do not use Paytm or I don't use Paytm. Both are correct. How will you pay then? Can you pay by cash? Can you pay by cash?
I have no cash. So you wait for 1 minute. I will take this another shop. Then I will pay you.
You will take this another shop means?
I give I pay a GPay. Then I take her cash. So then
Okay. You will go to another shop, pay them by GPay and take the cash in return and then pay me.
Yes.
Yeah, you can do that. I will wait for a minute. You ask me, can I take the stuff? Can I take my stuff?
Can I take my stuff?
सामान खरीदा उसको stuff बोलते हैं stuff. So can I take the stuff?
Can I take the stuff?
Unless you pay, you can't take it unless you pay.
Wait for 5 minutes. I will take you.
I will get the money. Wait for 5 minutes. I will get the money.
Wait for 5 minutes. I will get the money. So wait. You are another shopkeeper. Okay.
I am another shopkeeper.
So excuse me.
Yes, please.
I pay a GPay. Can you give me cash?
How much?
200.
Are you buying something from me?
No, no. Are you buy? No, nothing. I need. I nothing. I else this. So only for you give me cash.
Why should I give you cash? You are not buying anything from me. Sorry, ma'am, I don't have change.
Okay, no problem. You take. You give me some chocolates. Then you
Buy chocolates from me. You can pay by GPay and then I can give you the cash. On this chocolate. This chocolate is for 100.
100. Okay, no problem. Give me.
Now this is your cash.
Thank you so much.
Cash. Now you have come back to the previous shopkeeper.
Hello, brother. Here are you money. So give me my
use is with money. So you can say, hello brother, here is your money. Here is your money.
Here is your money. So can you give me my vegetable?
Can you give me my stuff? Can you give me मेरा पूरा सामान दे दो, तो उसके लिए आप बोलोगे stuff. Or you can say, can you give me my vegetables, milk and milk? Can you give me my vegetables and milk?
Can you give me my vegetable and milks?
Here is your stuff, man. And give me the cash.
Take this. Thank you so much.
Conversation with the shopkeeper.
Lots of need to practice. No, ma'am.
Practice different type of conversations between a teacher and a student, and conversation at a PTM and all those things.
With other teachers, and you give the personal class, ma'am. No.
Actually, I used to give paid classes earlier. So I
Uh,
used to give 3 classes per week. But now, actually, I have become a bit busy on YouTube and there is no time left after
uh,
these conversations, uploading and editing videos, that there is no time left for paid classes. So that is
so
why I'm not able to.
how can do practice conversation with other teachers and again with you?
Actually, I try to give one conversation to everyone. It's very difficult to give a second conversation. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You will be fluent if you keep working at it. And it was a lovely talk. I really enjoyed this conversation. Okay.
Me too, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.